Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's meditation is going to be short and sweet, less than 5 minutes. This meditation is intended to allow you to have a quick reset in your day or your evening if you found yourself in a moment of stress or uneasiness. So let's start by finding a comfortable position. You can sit down, you can sit cross-legged or lie down, whatever makes you feel good. So once you found a position that is comfortable to you, you can rest your hands on your thighs and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, fill up your lungs with air, and sit a little bit taller. And when you get to the top, maybe pause for a moment. Then exhale, open your mouth, let it go. Take 2 more deep breaths like this. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Seal the lips again. Start to deepen your breath. Then run a quick body scan and see what areas in your body are still holding tension. Perhaps you want to relax the muscles in your face or your shoulders. Relax the muscles in your hands, your back, your legs. And when your body is fully relaxed, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the cool air coming into the nose and how warm it feels when it exits. Stay present and pay attention to your breathing. Breathe in and out. You are just focusing on the breath. So as soon as the mind starts to wander, then just treat yourself with love and kindness and let any thoughts just go away and come right back to your breathing. Always come back to the breath. No matter how many times your mind starts wandering. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Just take a moment to notice the difference in your body during meditation. A meditation doesn't have to be long. It only takes 1 breath to step back into the present and help alleviate the stress. Breathe in and out. When you feel like you're ready, open your eyes and thank yourself for taking 5 minutes to do this meditation. Thank you for joining me.